Once upon a time, in a land not so far away because of the current exchange rate and the inability of people to migrate because of it, well, there lived 3 little pigs who lived together in mutual respect and harmony with their surroundings in an affordable brick house.
Don't you think it's about time to take a shower? It has been 4 weeks and we're expecting company.
Patty, we're pigs.
Oh, don't use that as an excuse. Remember what happened to Faye? She got deported to
The city, I know.
Well, at least put on some ointment to get rid of that awful stench. You might scare the company away and you might scare me away.
That's what I'm hoping for.
What did you say?
Nothing. I love you.
Their romantic escapades were soon mildly interrupted by a representative from a corporation of big, bad wolves with expansionist ideas. Well, this working-class professional walked up to the house, raised his fists, and banged on the door.
I'd rather not do that, actually, thank you.
Fine. This working-class professional walked up to the door, and he huffed, and he puffed, and he rang the doorbell. Little pigs, let me in, he screamed at the top of his lungs.
Little pigs.
What was after that again?
Let me in.
Let me in.
Startled by the sound of the wolf, the pig shouted back, "Not many hairs on our chinny chin chins!"
Go to hell, you carnivorous, imperialistic oppressor!
But that works too, I guess.
That's no way to welcome a guest. Oh, come on, Frank. Welcome in, Mr. Wolf.
Well, hello, Mrs. Bacon.
Happy to have you over.
Mr. Bacon. The only time I shake hands with you is if you sprout wings and start to fly.
Sorry, Mr. Wolf. Someone woke up on the wrong side of the page today. Please let me introduce you to our son. Kevin, honey, come say hi to our guest. Kevin ass bacon. Get your right this instant.
Mom.
Come say hi to Mr. Wolf.
Well, hello there, Kevin. Hi. How are you? I'm feeling absolutely smoked. Great, yes. I heard you were auditioning for school. Yes, actually. Hamlet, I got lead role. You said you were destined for the role. Well, you can say I was born right into it.
Are we just going to stand there and pretend to like each other, or eat and pretend to like each other?
Dinner. Please have a seat, Mr. Wolf.
As Mr. Wolf approached the table, he grew very hungry in both a physical and ideological sense for Mrs. Bacon's mashed potatoes.
So, what did you all do today?
Well then, I went to the market this morning. Kevin stayed home, while Frank made some roast beef.
Ah, and I suppose you cried me all the way home. Why are you here again, Mr. Wolf? Haven't you bothered us enough? Why don't you go cross-dress in Little Red Riding Hood's grandmother's clothes again? No, Patty, I'm sick and tired of being constantly visited by this overgrown furball who's going to come and take our house away.
Frank, stop, please!
Angered by Frank's remarks, Mr. Wolf then...
So much angry as I'm disappointed in the lack of respect Mr. Frank is showing me, just to clarify.
Disappointed in the lack of respect Mr. Frank has shown Mr. Wolf, he huffed, and he puffed, and he reached for his briefcase.
Mr. Bacon just howled me New set of terms and terms and conditions for our agreement.
Oh, isn't that exciting, Frank?
Yes, I'm so eager.
Well then, Kevin, why don't you go to your room and finish your handwork on Abraham Lincoln?
But Mom, I'm ready to touch my food.
You're a nice bacon, stop whining and go to your room!
Why do you always have to pick on me like that?
Well then, actually, do you remember that amazing mud bath and spa resort, the one Snow White has been raving about?
Oh my goodness, the one where they have the Rapunzel hair episode?
And Ariel Sushi Bar?
And moon shoes, reflexology, and dragon therapy.
Exactly.
What's so amazing about it anyway? It's not even that good.
Frank, that's a reason why her skin is as white as winter snow.
Well, after much discussion, Fiona and Shrek have shown much interest in your land as potential development. Only if Mr. Bacon signs the form. I'd rather Pocahontas spear me in the chest and feed me to her tribe. Mr. Bacon, we might be able to work some things out. Look, not only do you get a new house, but you will get 20% off all the services in the development. And you get to save on carriage costs across the 100-acre woods. Mr. Pooh might not be too happy about that. He's received a lifetime supply of honey as compensation. He's completely fine at City of Dread.
Well, excuse me, Mr. Wolf.
Yes.
20% sounds like a
I know.
bore.
Alright, my wife isn't happy. I'm no longer going to listen to you.
Alright. Okay. I don't usually do this, but I will throw in a lifetime membership for all the services for the low price of 50. For the free!
Oh my goodness, Mr. Wolf! Now I can finally stick it to Jafar. He won't be the only one with a luscious mustache.
That sounds absolutely ridiculous! How dare you ask me and my family to give away this house in which I grew up in? Do you have any idea what kind of sentimental value each layer of brick and mortar has to me? Your people tried to blow it away before and failed. And you shall experience the same thing now. Good day, Mr. Wolf.
Frank, what my four homes did have nothing.
Good day, Mr. Wolf.
I understand your concern, Mr. Bacon, but progress cannot be stopped. Look at your cousin brother, the one staying in New Jersey. He sold his house to Cinderella and she opened up a retail outlet selling comfortable diamond cut heels.
Heels that don't come up when you're running late. Cinderella's diamond cut heels.
Your youngest brother, the one with the house made of sticks, he sold to Kumar and she opened up an all-female martial arts academy.
Femme fatale!
Shut up!
Okay. Why do you have to be so rude? I don't get paid enough to do this. Wait, I don't get paid at all.
Anyways, Frank, just look at the possibilities here. You're not losing your house. You're merely upgrading it from brick to concrete.
Think about Kevin, honey. Or better yet, think about the mud
Oh, I did miss out one very important information, Mr. Frank. What is it? A new Outback Steakhouse will be opening up in the development as well, run by the critically acclaimed Chef Gordon Ramsay. So, what say you, Mr. Bacon?
Frank S. Bacon thought long and hard about the future of his family.
One second!
Wait, what?
That was a part of the script. Really? That's amazing news, Mr. Bacon. Can a lot of you please stick to the script, or I swear to Jim.
Oh, actually, just a narrator.
Did you have to go there?
Well, Mr. Wolf, you've done it. You've convinced me.
Let's not get too carried away. I need to sign the property release forms first, but I'm not sure if I have the. Oh, I do. Okay. So, what I'm going to need is your knuckles right here. Right away.
I'm so happy.
Well, now that everything was going according to the wolf's plan, he smiled to himself. And he huffed, and he puffed, and he reached for the mashed potato.
May I please have some of these? They are absolutely delicious.
But of course, Mr. Wolf.
Well, Mr. Bacon, believe me when I say it's definitely a pleasure doing business with you.
Likewise, Mr. Wolf.
Mom, Dad, look what happens. I believe that's my cue. Thank you, Mr. Bacon, Mrs. Bacon.
Goodbye.
So, in the end, Mr. Bacon had opened his mind to the possibilities of the future and took a step out of the pen he was living in and into the future of pig development. Frank, Patty, and their newly wing-sprouted son, Kevin, lived moderately ever after. At least for 3 years instead of the contracted 5 years, because these real estate agents always find loopholes in contracts like these to suck their clients dry. Just like the parasitic ex-wife of mine. Yes, I'm talking about you, Jessica. I will never forgive you for taking everything that I had. I want my limited edition Nikes back, as well as the... Wait, I'm not done yet. The end.